So we come here at a time where the government is running away from the workers. So yesterday the government convened what was supposed to be a dialoguing forum, what was supposed to be a negotiating forum, but which turned out to be a rally. And after them failing to reach an agreement at the rally as they had anticipated, they are running away from the workers. And how are they running away from the workers? They are convening an illegal meeting. And the illegal meeting is constituted under the defunct and unlawful National Joint Negotiating Council. We want to put it clear that Section 65 of the Constitution of the Republic of Zimbabwe provides for collective bargaining as opposed to collective begging. Now, this is a fundamental right for the working class. This is a fundamental right for the citizens of Zimbabwe. Now, the government is going back to 1997 to use the statutory instrument 141 of 1997 Public Service Joint Negotiating Council regulations, which is now ultra vires to Section 65 of the Constitution. Now, as the Progressive Teachers Union of Zimbabwe, the Amalgamated Teachers Union of Zimbabwe, we have rejected the Apex Council, we have rejected the NJNC with the contempt those two bodies deserve. They don't represent the interests of the workers, and they cannot negotiate on behalf of the workers, and we will never respect whatever outcome they can manufacture in their boardroom discussions. I will leave everything to Comrade the Secretary General Raymond. I think